If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the color settings of a PDF conversion settings preset in Adobe Acrobat, click the Color Settings category underneath the expanded view of the PDF conversion settings preset in the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. The color settings determine the color profile and color management settings for PDF documents created when Acrobat prints using this PDF conversion settings preset. To select a color profile for PDF conversion from your computer, which defines the settings in the color management policies and working spaces sections that follow, select a choice from the Settings File dropdown in the Adobe Color Settings section. The color profiles listed in the drop-down menu also include color profiles from other applications like Adobe Photoshop. Alternatively, to manually set the color management policies and working spaces settings in the areas that follow in this category, select the None setting. If needed, to manually set the color management policies, change the settings in the Color Management Policies section. To select the method Acrobat uses to convert unmanaged color in a PostScript file if no color setting is selected, select either Leave Color Unchanged, Tag Everything for Color Management, Tag Only Images for Color Management, Convert All Colors to sRGB, or Convert All Colors to CMYK from the Color Management Policies dropdown. Selecting Leave Color Unchanged leaves device-dependent colors unchanged and preserves device-independent colors as the nearest possible equivalent. Selecting Tag Everything for color management tags color objects with an ICC profile and calibrates colors to make them device independent. Selecting Tag Only Images for color management only tags images with an ICC profile to prevent black text from undergoing any color shift when creating a PDF. Selecting Convert All Colors to sRGB calibrates colors to make them device independent and converts all CMYK and RGB colors to sRGB in a PDF. Selecting Convert All Colors to CMYK converts color spaces to device gray or device CMYK according to the Working Spaces section's specifications. All working spaces must specify an ICC profile. To specify the color rendering intent method Acrobat uses to map colors between color spaces, select a choice from the Document Rendering Intent dropdown. The end result of any method depends on the profiles of the color spaces. The rendering intents are perceptual, saturation, relative colorimetric, absolute colorimetric, and preserve. The preserve intent means the intent is set in the output device versus the PDF. In all cases, however, color management operations that happen after creating a PDF may override or ignore the specified color rendering intent. To select an ICC profile to use to define and calibrate gray, RGB, and CMYK color images in a PDF for all color management policies except Leave Color Unchanged, select a choice from the Gray, RGB, and CMYK dropdowns in the Working Spaces section. Optionally, to not convert an image type, select the None choice from either of the three dropdowns. To treat device-independent CMYK values as device-dependent or device CMYK values, remove the device-independent color spaces and make PDF X1A files use the Convert All Colors to CMYK value. Check the Preserve CMYK Values for Calibrated CMYK Color Spaces checkbox. Alternatively, To let device-independent color spaces convert to CMYK, if you selected the Convert All Colors to CMYK value in the Color Management Policies section, uncheck this checkbox. To preserve undercolor removal or UCR and black generation if they exist in the PostScript file, check the Preserve Undercolor Removal and Black Generation checkbox in the Device Dependent Data section. To choose how to handle transfer functions if found in a PDF, select either Remove, Preserve, or Apply from the When Transfer Functions Are Found dropdown. Selecting Remove deletes the transfer functions. Selecting Preserve keeps the transfer functions. Selecting Apply applies the transfer functions but doesn't keep them, which changes the colors in the file. To keep any halftone information found in the PDF file for use with a particular output device, check the Preserve Halftone Information checkbox. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.